Xiaomi has launched a new product. This time it's a brand new Xiaomi Bone Conduction 2 headphones. Now let's open it and take a look. The earphones use a lightweight liquid-wrapped frame, and the 28-gram body allows you to wear them for a long time without burden. Charging is also very convenient with a magnetic contact charging method. A single charge can last up to 12 hours, and the charging speed is very fast, with 10 minutes of charging allowing for 2 hours of music playback. In addition, this time the Xiaomi Bone Conduction headphones also support IP68 waterproofing, which means you can wear them while swimming. Speaking of swimming, it also recognizes 2 swimming styles supporting breaststroke and freestyle. After you activate the swimming mode, you can sync data with Xiaomi Sports Health to view your swimming records.
Finally, there is 32 gigabytes of offline music playback, which is enough to store hundreds or even thousands of songs.
As for the price, it's very affordable, priced at $699. During the initial release, it also supports 3 installments with no interest, which is very cost effective.